In this video, we'll address these issues and what Tesla is currently working on. You'll also hear about his opinions on the company. Do you think of Tesla as an EV company or as an AI company? Can Tesla manage on their own in this race to be the best company out there? These are some of the questions that people can't help but ask because the answers to them could make you more money or lose you money. Whether it's their EV or AI components, Tesla has been refining their business. In addition, they have been working with other firms. Watch to learn more, but not before giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to Tesla Stock News. Regarding Tesla, some interesting viewpoints have emerged regarding its identity. While many see it as an electric vehicle manufacturer, there is a growing idea that Tesla should be seen as an AI company. This perspective shift could have a significant impact on the company's future, especially given the buzz surrounding AI. Wall Street analyst Ives sees Tesla as a tech company and believes it will greatly benefit from the ongoing AI wave. As one of the top analysts, his insights carry weight, making it much more worthwhile to explore his viewpoint before delving into AI. Before we explore AI, let's discuss the strength of the tech sector as a whole. Earlier this year, I mentioned that tech stocks were poised to experience a gain of 20, and as of May, the NASDAQ has already surged by 24. The impression of the tech sector is a safety blanket, solid fundamentals, better than expected guidance, and cost-cutting initiatives are some of the elements contributing to the confidence. However, the true game changer is what Iris views as his career's most revolutionary tech theme, the AI revolution. I propose that Tesla's future may be closely related to artificial intelligence. At first, people may not perceive Tesla as an AI company, but once it becomes evident that the company is well positioned to address autonomous driving, attitudes may quickly change to accommodate this viewpoint. Two prominent figures have influenced this viewpoint. James Damar, who is highly recommended, and Hallmark's collection of complete self-driving films in San Francisco. How certain are you that Tesla has a real opportunity to become an AI company? Despite the fact that Tesla employs engineers in Vancouver, the performance in the videos from San Francisco is higher. Considering Elon's prior accomplishments with SpaceX and leading the EV industry, the potential success of Tesla's Dojo supercomputer, despite his admission that it is a long shot, boosts Ives' confidence. Leon conservatively estimates that I represents an $800 billion market opportunity with the potential to reach trillions. This outlook refutes claims that the state of affairs now resembles an AI, according to Bubble Eyes. It's more like a gold rush, highlighting NVIDIA's historic growth and its impact on hyperscale firms like Microsoft and Google. NVIDIA's growth has resulted in an extraordinary 60% increase in guidance for a quarter. This growth also resonates throughout the consumer market. Apple and Meta are two prominent players in the tech industry. Despite the euphoria surrounding AI and the prospective gold rush, Ives highlights the broader ramifications for the chip sector, software names like Salesforce.com and Palantir, and the whole tech industry. Although the stock's historical performance shows periods of stagnation followed by significant fluctuations, some investors still find it difficult to see Tesla as an AI company. Nevertheless, for Tesla investors, the distinction may not matter as much because the stock has proven its ability to capture the market and invest your short-term perspectives frequently. Prevail. When looking into Tesla's past, it's clear that there have been periods of tremendous innovation that have made earlier movements meaningless, but there have also been periods of consolidation during which the stock was stagnant for roughly 5 years. Recently, though, things have started to look up, with Tesla gaining significant traction and experiencing explosive growth. It's thought that this current period of consolidation will end once it is widely acknowledged that Tesla is primarily an AI company. When talking about other companies in this sector, the question of whether there are any undervalued options that haven't seen a skyrocketing rise yet arises. Microsoft Graphics Dan believes that Tesla will profit significantly from the AI wave in the future. This is just the beginning of an exciting journey for AI, and this week's distinction signals that the game is moving on to the topic of electric vehicles. Google, AMD, and a few other companies are thought to be the obvious choices that are set to benefit on the software side. One must explore second and third derivatives like Salesforce.com, which seems to have untapped potential. Controversial names like C3i and SoundHound. Palantir are also worth considering given their core involvement in AI. With a 6% increase in its shares, Tesla emerges as a big winner. It has even eclipsed the Toyota Corolla to become the best-selling car. It's worth noting that Tesla's market share in the US is already over 50. So even if someone initially intended to purchase a 40 after comparing it to a Tesla, they might end up choosing the latter since more EVs on the market directly benefit from the partnership. Tesla surprised everyone by announcing a partnership with Ford. And while Tesla drivers might not be thrilled about sharing their superchargers, investors are delighted as the stock price soared. Tesla, last but not least, this alliance is a huge victory for the business. Mere day ago, it would have appeared unreal that Elon Musk and Jim Farley would co-host an event on Twitter, but in actuality, Ford and Tesla have both realized the value of teamwork. Ford recognizes the value of the Tesla supercharger network, and Tesla knows that its success depends on the performance of Ford and General Motors. And this anticipated alliance highlights the rapidly shifting automotive landscape and the intensifying competition for market supremacy in electric vehicles. One thing is certain, it's not a zero-sum game. While some may wonder why Tesla needs Ford and GM to be financially successful, it's crucial to understand that Tesla's goal of accelerating the shift to sustainable energy is made possible by the success of other automakers. But how does this help? In practical terms, let's examine a few claims about Tesla. It is worth noting that Tesla does not always depend on the success of other automakers, unless there are concerns about government interference due to a perceived monopoly. Ford and GM using Tesla's charging infrastructure would undoubtedly increase revenue for Tesla superchargers. Additionally, if Tesla were to supply certain components, like batteries, to these automakers, it could open up a new avenue of business that was unanticipated. Licensing Tesla's fully self-driving technology to other companies also prevents an obvious benefit in the long run, since other automakers such as Stellantis have not yet fully embraced EVs. Tesla's supremacy is not total, and partnerships with other automakers can be mutually beneficial. It is crucial to acknowledge that Tesla can continue to thrive independently. The collaboration between Ford and Tesla could potentially lead to Ford using Tesla batteries, which would be a significant modernization step. However, given Tesla's demand for batteries and the limited supply of their new 4,680 batteries, it may be some time before other automakers adopt Tesla batteries widely. Although it is still unclear why Dan claimed that Tesla needs GM and Ford to be successful, recent developments at the Tesla Gigafactory in Nevada provide some insight into the situation. The visit's most important lesson is the astounding advancements in battery technology, both in terms of innovation and production. Tesla has streamlined procedures significantly, which has decreased the cost of battery. This advantage puts Tesla in a position to perhaps sell EVs for less than $30,000. In the upcoming years, something that other market participants are still working towards, the EV arms race is heating up, and Tesla finds itself at the forefront of battery production and innovation. While the precise timeline for Tesla's involvement in supplying batteries to other automakers remains uncertain, the progress made at the Gigafactory indicates the potential for such partnerships. Perhaps Dan's insights during the factoring tour led him to believe that Tesla could start selling batteries to other automakers. While this may not happen soon, it would be a positive outcome for Tesla, and an excess supply of batteries would allow for a faster transition to structural battery packs powered by the new 4,680 batteries. That's all for this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. There is no denying that Tesla has the potential to become extremely successful. We shouldn't be shocked when the rest of the world realizes this.